Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is really going to be part 4, but I'm just going to have a new name for it. So if you didn't watch the other 3, and they're all in about the same order when you look at the videos. So Eskimo was telling me about this macro that Monster Macro has called Select Same, and it's made by Jeff Harrison. It's a freebie. I mean, it costs you nothing. And then you'll order it and download it for free. But what it does, and you could not do this inside of Corel. And if you didn't watch the first videos, this one's 0.21, this one's 0.16, and this one's 0.13. So we have 3 different sizes. If we go to tools and macros, I've downloaded the macro, go to scripts, and go to his JH select thing. And if we will select this, and all you have to do is go size. We're going to get the 21 inch, 0.21 inch first, and we're going to select similar. I'm going to go up to object, group, and group it together, and look at this. Now we have just 68 big ones. We can move them out of the way. Now we're going to pick the 16, select similar. I'm going to go up to object, group, and there's Control G, but mine right now is not working. So now all you have left is the 13. So you can just group them together, or, you know, there's a lot of, I mean, you could do fills, which you can do in Corel. So let's put all these back and let's ungroup all of them. Go up to object, group, and ungroup. And let's make let's make these red. Let's make these blue. Let's make these green. Let's make these purple. So now if you want all the purple ones, let's say there's some more purple here and here, and they're all kind of mixed up. But you want all the purple ones. I haven't done this. I'm just going to go fill. So I'm going to select that and go fill and select it. I'm going to Control G and look at this. It took all the purple ones. And then you could change the purple ones to blue. You know, this is pretty slick. You know, you've got outline width, outline color. That would be very easy, you know, if you're doing, or very helpful. Let's make these black outlines, and the rest are, well, let's make some of them green. That's hard to see. Let's make them blue. And let's make a few more black, kind of use it as an example. So now we're going to go outline color, and we're going to pick the black, pick the same object, group, and group it, and look at that. It took all the black ones. This is, if you had to pay for this, this would be pretty good. But free, so I'm not going to leave the link because it's very easy to find, and that way you'll look at all those other macros. I would highly suggest eCuts. Someday I'll get it again, and I love eCuts, but this is super quick, super easy. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.